Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Finding the insert key on an HP laptop can be tricky. Many newer models do not have a dedicated button. Sometimes it is hidden or combined with another key. First, look at the top row of your keyboard. You might see a key labeled INS or insert. If it is there, just press it. If the text is in a box or a different color, you need to use the FN key. Hold down the FN key and then press that button. On many HP laptops, the insert function is shared with the print screen key. Look for PRTSC with INS written underneath it. Press FN and PRTSC together to activate insert. If your laptop has a full numeric keypad, look at the 0 key. You will often see INS printed on the bottom of the 0. To use this, make sure number lock is turned off. Then press the 0 key. Alternatively, you can hold Shift and press the 0 key on the number pad. If you still cannot find it, you can use the Windows on-screen keyboard. Click the Start button and type On-Screen Keyboard. Open the app and click the Insert button on the digital layout. This works every time regardless of your hardware. Some HP Spectre or Envy models might use different shortcuts. Check the user manual if these steps do not work. Most users find the FN combo is the standard fix. Knowing these shortcuts saves time during typing or coding. Now you can easily toggle between insert and overtype modes on your device whenever you need to edit your documents quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.